Good morning, student. Today we are going to start next chapter in our accounting, that is company account. In this company account, mainly we are going to know about that share capital or share, issue of share, and then debenture, issue of debenture, and then redemption of debenture, and again come on the share, for feature of share, other than cash. Many type of topic will come in this company. Okay beta, company account or final account of companies. Okay, first we are going to start with the what is company. Before the starting company accounts, first we have to know about that what is the company. Actually, the company means the business. They are registered with the Company Act 1956 or after the any other act, that is called company. If any business, any type of business, they will address registered with the Company Act, that is called company. In other words, company is like a one artificial person. They have own stamp, they have own power, all just like that one person. Company is like that. They have the all the power. That power to relate with the one person. Okay, beta. Any type of cases or any type of demand or supplies or any type of stamp or signature, that always made by the company. That is other things that done by the one person, that is maybe board of director or other person, but that is directly related with the company. That person signed or making the stamp on the behalf of that company, because the company and his person is the different way. Okay beta, mainly for the company, the shareholder is the owner of that company. That board of director and other person is like an employee, but mainly shareholder are the owner of any company. Okay, it's some just like a theory part. Now we are going for the numerical part, but because that is very important for us, mainly we are working on that numerical part. All the company, before the starting of company, the making of company is very big process beta. Some person, 2 or 3 or 4 person is just taken in mind, okay, we are going to just start one companies, and then they are just fulfill the all pro forma, all registration, all type of other formality. By that they are just creating that company, then go for the registration. After the registration, company will get only registered form. That is not the case of allows of the starting of the company. Then they will get start of the business certificate, then the company will start. It's very big process. Okay beta, and after that company is needed capital. Okay, now here from this point, very important for us, after that company is needed the capital. Okay beta, and that capital all company needed capital beta. Okay, and for the arranging of this capital, only two way of the all business or all company, own capital and loan capital. Okay beta, here we are not going for the loan capital. If anyone tell to you ki just arrange the some amount, you are also going to just search these two way. One is own capital, we are going to just see what amount you have, and then you are going to try to take the loan for others, that is loan capital. But here we are going for the own capital. In this own capital, the share will come. Okay beta, share. In this own capital, share will come. Now here the new question is, what is the meaning of share? What is the meaning of share? Because without the knowing of meaning of share, we cannot going to explain the issue of share, beta. Okay? The issue of share. Just again come on the main point. Company needs capital. Okay, beta? And for the arranging of this capital, company going to issue the share. Means this share is the part of company. This share is a part of company. Okay, beta? This share is the part of company. Okay? It means when we are going for the its meaning, then share means share is the smaller parts of any capital. Share is the smaller parts of capital which is issued by the company in public for arranging the capital. Okay, beta? Which is issued by the company in public for arranging the capital. Okay, beta? Okay? That is very important for us. And the share, by this share, what capital we are arranging? That is called share capital. Okay, beta? What capital we are going to arrange by the share? That is called share capital. Again, I like to explain what is the meaning of share. Share is the smaller part of the capital which is issued in public for arranging the what? Arranging the capital. And the capital which is arranged by this issuing of this share, that is called share capital. Now we are going for the type of share. Two type of share, beta. Two type of share is there. Equity and preference. Okay, beta? Equity and preference. One is equity and second is preference. Means the share. Now we are going for the first equity. Equity share is the share which is issued in public, but its payment will done at the ending of the company or last for the ending of the company. After the going to payment of the all liabilities, all things, then if money is remain, then we are going, our company are going to payment of the equity share capital because they are the main owner of the that business. Okay, and then preference share, that preference share get the preference on the time of payment on the equity. Okay, beta? This preference share get the preference on the time of payment. When the company will close, so first we are going to pay the amount of preference share, then we are going to pay the amount of equity share. And here in equity share, no dividend rate is set, but in preference share, the dividend rate is set. Okay, beta? The dividend rate is set. Now, we are not going to mean about the preference or equity share. Here we are going to know how to issue of this share. Okay, beta? How we are going to issue of this share? Because by the issuing of this share, company will collect his capital. And two way we are going to follow for the issue of this share: fully paid up and partly paid up. Okay, beta? Fully paid up and partly paid up. In the fully paid up means if the rate of 10 rupees of the share, then full 10 rupees we are going to take in one time. And here, if the rate of 10 rupees, then we are going to take like a 2 rupees, 3 rupees, 4 rupees, 1 rupees, like that. Okay? It means fully paid up means when we are going to take all amount in one time, that is fully paid up. In partly paid up, we are going to take that amount in some part. That amount in some parts. Okay, beta? Now I am going to start how to issue the share. Again, two way. One is at par and second is at premium, because at discount is also there, but by the Company Act this topic removed, so we are only going to see these two topics, at par and at premium. Okay beta, at par means 10 rupees rate, in 10 rupees they are going to issue. At premium is 10 rupees rate, but 10 plus 2, it means 12 rupees. Okay beta, it means 12 rupees they are going to follow. Okay, now I am going to start with the issue and issued at par in the share in fully paid up. Okay, when we are going to issue fully paid up share, then what of entry we are going to done. Here main important thing is entry. Okay beta, main important thing is entry. Fully paid up. Okay, I think you will know about that. When we are going to issue the process, maybe you are seeing the some ad which is given in the paper, open issued. By that, company to try to motivate or inform to the public that they are going to issue the new shares and public can go for apply of this share, and on the time of apply, company is going to pay his money. If all money, if the case of fully paid up, then the public is give the money to the company and company will receive the money. When company will receive the money means cash or bank account debit. Okay beta, bank account debit, bank account debit to share application and allotment. Okay beta, bank account debit to share application and allotment. Bank account debit to share, bank account debit to share application and allotment in the case of fully paid up, because all the money received in one time and then all the money received in one time, so bank account debit to share application allotment, because we are getting the application and give the share, so allotment is there, and then this share application and allotment money we are going to transfer in share capital beta, share capital. So then entry is what? Share application and allotment account debit to share capital. Share application and allotment account debit to share capital. Okay beta, clear? Share application and allotment account debit to share capital. This is the case when we are going to issue the share on the basis of fully paid up with at par. Fully paid up with at par. When the case is at premium, when the case is at premium, then only the change is that to security premium we are going to add here. Only entry change this only. Okay beta, only that security premium will come on beside credit side, because security premium is the income, because security premium is the income for the business, for the company, so we are going to take this security premium just credit side, because we are receiving this security premium from the company, So we are going to take this security premium on credit side because it's a like a entry. Okay, beta? Clear? It's a income for the company. So that company is taking this premium on credit side in entry because it's received like a income. Okay, beta? Clear? If at par, तो only bank account debit to share application allotment and then share application allotment account debit to share capital. But if the premium is cash, then share application allotment account debit to share capital to security premium. Okay, now I am coming for the partly paid up. The case of partly paid up. When we are going to pay on some part of the amount, then that share money at least 10 rupees, we are going to divide this 10 rupees. First is application, second is allotment, third is first call and fourth second call. Okay, beta? In your book only these four parts is given. Application, allotment, then calls. You can divide in many parts, but here we are talking about our subjective matters. So only two parts, first and second call. Okay, and this thus 10 rupees we are going to take like 2 rupees, 3 rupees, 3 rupees, 2 rupees. Okay. Now we are going to do the entries. Just think here, when the time of receiving of money is different, then sure and certain we are going to do the different entry. As like that for the application one entry, for allotment one entry, for first call one entry, for second call one entry. Okay, beta? So when we are going to start with the application, so when we are receiving the application money, so then bank account debit, to share application. Okay, beta? Bank account debit to share application, and then share application account debit to share capital, because this all amount will transfer in share capital, because this whole amount is called share capital. Okay, beta? So share application account debit to share capital. This two entry we are going to do for the one part, for the application. Now we are going for the allotment. Then just see this due entry first and the bank entry second, because in the time of application we are asking for money. Public is given the advance money, so that is called the application. And on the time of allotment we are going to call for money, and then public will give. Okay, so then share application account debit to share capital, and then bank money received to bank account debit to share allotment. Okay, beta? First is share allotment account debit to share capital, and second, when we are receiving the money, bank account debit to share allotment. Then for second call, again same entry, only change the name. Share first call account debit to share capital, and then bank account debit to share first call. Okay, beta? To share first call. Okay? Clear? And then same entry for the second call. Then same entry for the second call we are going to utilize. Clear? Here also it's a at par case. Maybe at premium will also come. And when premium will come, so only same again we are going to utilize the same thing. When premium will come, the premium will credit in due entry, on the time of due. If on the allotment we are thinking like that, ki on the allotment that premium is there, then we are entered to security premium. Okay beta, only this change. If in first call, then 2 security premium here. If second call, then 2 security premium. And in the question, if the place of security premium is not given, then we are going to take that security premium with allotment. Okay beta, that security premium with allotment. Okay, clear? Again I like to repeat, companies needed amount, capital, and for that capital company is going to issue share, and the share is the smaller part of the capital which is issued in public by the two way. One is fully paid up, second is partly paid up. In fully paid up, we are going to take the whole money in one time. For that, the other entry, the entry is that bank account debit to share application allotment, and then share application allotment account debit to share capital. And if you are going to use the premium, that premium will come on credit side, and that entry will change share application allotment account debit to share capital to security premium. And in the case of partly paid up, the just see the different situation. On the case of application, on the time of application, bank account debit to share application account debit to share capital. On the time of allotment, share allotment account debit to share capital, bank account debit to share allotment. On the time of first call, share first call account debit to share capital, bank account debit to share first call. And if premium is coming, so if on the case of allotment, so 2 security premium will credit. Okay beta, clear? In next class we are going to take next topic, arrears and advance. That topic we are going to take. Okay beta? Okay, thank you.